If you want to go viral on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, do this as soon as you can. The niche I'm about to show you can make you thousands of dollars per month. This niche is less saturated and has little competition, which means a high success rate. Actually, I found only 3 accounts, including mine, doing this niche, so it's better to act fast before it gets more saturated. Stay to the end of this video, because what I'm going to tell you can change your life upside down. Just 2 months ago, I was sitting on the couch at home after work and scrolling through TikTok. Suddenly, I came across a profile that was posting videos I had never seen before. I did some research and found out that the account is earning a pretty good amount of money. It's not just about earnings, but what intrigued me was the fact that nobody knows for this niche. I immediately created a new TikTok account and started posting these videos. 30 days after my first post, I met the requirements and got accepted into the TikTok creativity program. But remember, this is not create millions of shorts in 20 minutes technique. You have to put in some effort, and you will definitely see the results if you do it right. Okay, so the niche is microscopic life in extreme environments. Never heard of it? Well, that's another proof how valuable this niche is at this moment, but you need to act fast, because I already saw some YouTubers talking about this niche, which means it will get saturated soon. I won't show you my account for now because, you are my direct competitor now. Some of my videos are getting millions of views, and the best part is that TikTok pays me 90 cents for every 1,000 views. Pretty high RPM, right? But the catch is that you need to have a US TikTok account. If you want a US TikTok account without VPN, US SIM card, or any complicated steps, just click the link in the description and you can have it for a cheap price. Now, before we jump on how to actually create videos for this niche, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss viral and trendy ideas. Now you need 5 tools to create videos for this niche: ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Leonardo AI, Runway, and CapCut. I suppose that you already are familiar with those tools, so I won't be covering the step-by-step process, but the idea is this. You go to ChatGPT and write a prompt. Write mind-blowing facts on this niche: microscopic life in extreme environments. After generating the script, you ask ChatGPT again to write you Leonardo AI prompts for 10 images that describe the generated script. After this, go to 11 Labs, pick your favorite voice, and generate voiceover for the script. Then you go to Leonardo AI and paste image prompts that ChatGPT gave you. After you download all images, go to Runway and generate videos for all images. The last step is go to CapCut. Insert generated videos and script, add effects, transitions, subtitles, and your video is done.
Crushing levels, scientists have discovered microscopic life forms.
As I said, this will not be a detailed process, but if you need it, let me know in the comments section and I will create a step-by-step tutorial on how to create these videos. Make sure to upload at least 4 videos per day. Consistency is one of the key elements to success on any social platform. Well, that was it for today, and now I'm going to prepare everything for the new video. I have a banger business idea to share with you. Make sure to subscribe so as not to be left without this amazing idea.